Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on less than 500 rating, which is Messi versus Ronaldo. Okay, so in a chef lane there is a football player gets 2 points for each goal and 1 point for each assist. Okay, so Messi has A goals and B assists this season, whereas Ronaldo has X goals and Y assist. Okay, so Messi has A goals and B assists, isn't? And in the same way, Ronaldo has X goals and Y assists. So you just have to find out player with more points this season. Okay, so let's do this. So there is given a 40 points, 40 goals and 30 assists. So the total point will be 40 into 2 plus 30. This will give 110. And in the same way, Ronaldo, I don't have any idea of football, so I just taking the help of explanation. In the same way, there is a Ronaldo who has a 50 goals and 10 assists. Okay, so his total point will be 50 into 2 plus 10, which will give a 110. Okay, so the total point will be equal. So let's understand with an example here. There is given an explanation here, which is 40, 30, 50 and 10. Here is the Messi and Ronaldo. Okay, so you just have to find whether it is equal or not. You just have to do 40 into 2 plus 30, 50 into 2 plus 10. Okay, so this will give 80 plus 30, 110. In the same way, 100 plus 10, which will give 110. Okay, so you just have to check whether they are equal or not. So yes, 110 is equals to 110, so you just have to print equal. And if it is not, let's take another example here. Let's take another example. If it is greater, then you just have to print Messi or Ronaldo. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take int a comma b comma x comma y. Okay, and then c in a, c in b, c in x, c in y. Okay, and then you just have to check, you have to do int Messi is equals to a into 2 plus b. In the same way, you have to create for Ronaldo also, int Ronaldo equals to x into 2 plus y. Okay, so you have to check if Messi is equals to Ronaldo, then you just have to do cout. Then you just have to do cout equal. Okay, else if Messi is greater than Ronaldo, then you just have to do cout Messi. Okay, and then else you just have to do cout, you just have to do Ronaldo. So let's run this code. This code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.